Here comes the rain. With you subscribing to my channel, you'll always be watching something that I put out, and you'll always be learning something. I haven't quite cut enough. So, right, I need, yep. Not quite enough, but not quite enough is always better than too much, the old saying is. And there's another saying, measure twice, cut once. Oh, look at that rain. Bring that in a bit under cover. Right, we'll see if that fits. Perfect, Freddie. No, I like that. I like that a lot. I'm never that keen on a thin architrave. Like, give me a little bit thicker architrave anytime, and then you're able to put a nice silicon bead up and it's lovely. But you can't, sometimes you've got to stop, you know, sometimes the owners have to stop spending money, so it's just got to be it. So we'll bang that on, and then I can mark the other one, the next, and I'll show you again. I'll be doing the same thing, but that's all it is. The flanges, the tapware, are getting smaller. Whooshka. Okay, I'll be back shortly. I'll mark this one and we'll go out and cut it. Cool! I like it a lot. That's neat. Yeah, so it just slightly sticks out a bit, but because it's a quite a thick tile. The white ones that I do a lot is a little bit like 1.5 mil thinner. These are quite thick. They're a good 12 mil, and that's 12 mil. Anyway, that's cool. Okay, we'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next cut. Bye.